Hi guys, and welcome to Shelly's Homemade, and today we're going to be making Elvis cupcakes. So, what you will need for these cupcakes, you're going to need some banana cream pudding, yes. You're going to need 1.5 cups of sugar. You're going to need 1 stick of melted butter. You need 1/4 cup. You'll need 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda, 2 1/4 cup of flour, 4 eggs, some sour cream. Now the sour cream is going to give it a tang and some flavor. It's going to help us flavor this baby. So what we're going to do first, we're going to move all our dry ingredients and just dump it right into the same bowl as that. Take our trusty dusty spatula, just kind of, get it in there and mix it in there. So I'm using all-purpose flour, not cake flour. You can use cake flour if you like, but I'm using all-purpose flour. I find that by cake flour being so fine that it dries the cake out, so I use all-purpose flour. It does the job for me, but you can use cake flour if you want. It's a finer flour. This is a thicker flour. This does the job just fine. So we're going to put this to the side. So what we're going to do now, move some of this up, is we're going to take our butter, like so, get it into our bowl. We're going to get our oil, and we're going to get it into our bowl. And we're going to get our sugar into our bowl. Now all the ingredients is in the description box, so you can find it there. And now what we're going to do now is take my hand mixer and we're just going to cream it together. And if you don't have a hand mixer, you can use a whisk or a spoon, whatever you have. This is a really easy mix to make. And you know me, the easier the better. So we're going to stick all of this sour cream right inside up here, just like so. I know people tell y'all like add 1 egg a piece, but since there's no flour in here, I don't see the need, and it's all in my bowl, and it's still going to be one of the moistest cakes ever. Get that sour cream in there. That was 4 ounces of sour cream. So now we're about to put our peanut butter in. My peanut butter, and we'll get that all mixed in really, really good. If need be, if I think it needs a little milk, I'm gonna add a little milk to it. But at this point, I'm thinking we're good. So I'm gonna add 2 eggs at a time instead of the 1. Like I said, this is a really quick and easy recipe, guys. You can make this with your children. Get them in the kitchen. Get them pouring stuff, working the batter. Okay, the only time that you need to worry about mixing is when you add the flour. And at this point, we're not adding the flour yet. And I may add a cup of milk. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add a cup of milk to this. Because we are adding the Jell-O pudding. It's going to thicken our batter up significantly. And this is the instant pudding, which is 3.4 ounces of this pudding. It's in there. Now we already got the banana flavor working. We got the peanut butter working. Now we're gonna add some milk. We're gonna add 1 cup of milk to this situation. Cup of milk going in. All right. Smells absolutely wonderful. So I'm going to add a tablespoon of vanilla. I'm just going to eyeball it. But you can get your measuring spoon out. You can add as little or as much vanilla as you like. I'm adding a tablespoon because I like vanilla. Any other recipe would probably call for a teaspoon. So I'm going to give you a whole tablespoon. You smell that peanut butter, that vanilla. We're going to add half of this mix. Oh, we're going to add all of it. Why? Why not? Why not? What we're going to do, we're going to fold it a little bit so that we don't get the mix on us. So we're going to try to get it in there. And that'll cut down the beating time to help keep your batter all nice and deliciousness and fluffy and light. Now you can add some chopped peanuts to this if you like. I added the peanut butter. That's enough peanut butter for me. And you can also add some more banana in here. But I think what I've added is perfectly fine. Oh, I'm telling you, as I mix, you just smell that peanut butter. And 1, 2, 3, and we're done. That's our cake mix. That's our cake mix. Look at that. That is a gorgeous batter, guys. Absolute gorgeous batter. We're going to get these into our tin. Once we get these into our tin, we're going to stick it in a 350 degree oven for about 14 to 15 minutes. Then we're going to let it cool, and we come back. We're going to make frosting, and we're going to frost this baby up. Alright. Just add a spoon. Get these in here. So we're going to add 2 of these to each cupcake. So I have 12 in this line. I got 12 liners right now. I probably need a little more. And when you make this recipe for your family, let them know that you got this recipe from Shelly at Shelly's Homemade, and how wonderful these Elvis cupcakes are. Peanut butter banana. Now you can put this in cake mix and just, you can put this in a cake pan and make Elvis, an Elvis cake. But I'm making cupcakes today. Alright, so I'm going to finish filling these, and I'm going to get them into the oven, and then when we come back, I'm going to show you what to do. Then when we come back, we're going to be making frosting. Alright guys, well, it's time to make some frosting now. So we have 8-ounce package of cream cheese, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of peanut butter. We're going to use half this packet of this banana cream jello instant pudding. We're going to use some vanilla and 2 cups of powdered sugar or confectioner sugar, whichever you want to call it. So first thing we're going to do is cream our peanut butter and cream cheese together. They both are softened. And remember, store these cupcakes in the refrigerator because we use cream cheese and peanut butter. Look at that. Alright. So now let's just add half of this packet. That's about half. And I didn't tell you guys, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of heavy cream to this. Vanilla. Heavy cream. 1, 2. Powdered sugar, we're going to pour half. And now, you know what you can do if you don't want to make frosting like this. You can take some cream cheese frosting, add some peanut butter to it, and mix it up. There you go. That's a shortcut. That's just a shortcut. I may be adding more if I think I need it for my frosting, but this looks great. salt. Keep mixing. Turn it up a little bit. It'll give me that fluff I'm looking for. Alright, where's my glass? So I have my piping bag and I have my tip. Now I'm putting it in the glass, make it easier to come out to get in. And in there. Just like this. Then I'm gonna get this into the refrigerator, just like it is, for about 15 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, so let's frost these cupcakes. Look how beautiful they are. Look at those cupcakes. So I'm just gonna frost 6 on camera. All right, like so. Bring it on around, bring it around, bring it around. Boom. To them babies. Messed that up. That's alright. Just hold it in my hand. That. All right. Now, just stick a banana right on top, just like that. Just piece of banana. See, the one I messed up over there looks absolutely divine. So, as you can see, they're absolutely gorgeous. So like, share, and subscribe, and make you these beautiful cupcakes. I'm gonna eat the messed up one. I'm just gonna let y'all see, because I want y'all to see the inside of this cupcake. Alright, so I'm bite. It's moist, it's light and fluffy. Look at that. Frosting is delicious. Like, share, and subscribe, and make you some of these. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day. And just let me know in the description box that y'all ever heard of Elvis Cup Cakes. Do you like peanut butter and banana together? You know, things like that. But like, share, and subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next video. And as always, have a wonderful day.